Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that is a 12 by 12 canvas I bought by accident. Actually bought a whole pack of them. I think what happened was I ordered them online at michaels.com and I don't know. Anyway, I've got them, so I'm going to use them, and they're good for students. Easier to ship home if necessary. And I've got some colors left over from my last artwork, and they're in a really odd configuration behind me, so I'm feeling much like playing, just playing, and my gold is getting very liquid in the hot weather, and I'm hoping that my edges will be easy enough to cover. That's my OXO omelet turning spatula, which is the most awesome paint spreading tool of all, and it's available on my Amazon link right below the video. So here comes my edge catcher. With a whole bunch of paint on it. And it was beautiful paint, so I refuse to give up on it. And I think that if I go ahead and grab that right there, it's very purple now. That doesn't mean I can't add some other stuff to it. And I might just go for that because I can. That's the name of my book on the Amazon link. I'm going to throw that in the bucket because it was really pretty before I did that. And I kind of want it back. And I'm willing to take a chance on making you wait a second. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing with my spatula and wipe it off in the bucket because there's a lot of paint there. And I am going to take colors that I really like and just have a go. I've got a lot of this beautiful blue and something in the way. Whatever you are, come out. There we go. Wow, that's a lot. Holy! And it happened on camera. Come out. Holy. No kidding. Wow. Okay. Blooper! And that's cool, because it looks awesome down there on the canvas. That calls for washing my hands. Alright, so what else have I got here that I'd like to join this melee? Pretty crazy. Yeah, I think so. Let's just have some fun. Whatever else comes next is going to be inspired by what just came before. I like the black, I like the gold. I want something here. And I want to just be sacrilegious. I don't know what I'm going to do. I know I'll be cleaning my tile after this. I may not be able to make this into anything. It could be a first. I want some white pearl. And I'm going to go right back and use my spatula. I don't want all that turquoise to go away, and I was really kind of enjoying it. Now it's definitely looks like some kind of deep space something or other. I'm just going to let this tip. There's no silicone in anything, so who knows what's going to happen. I can't believe I'm actually filming this. That's pretty funny. I'd have to call it the original cluster, but you'd have to know what I was talking about in order to get what that means. And some of you will. I have edge catchers. Do I have a clean one that's big enough to do something with this? I don't know. This is only 12 inches, so I guess I do. I don't know what I really want to see gone. I am kind of playing fast and loose with what I've got here. At least I got that huge string of Floetrol out of my bottle. That was pretty shocking, actually. I've got beautiful blue paint all over my tile. It's actually Folk Art Color Shift turquoise. And I think I'm just gonna clean up my tile with my fingers and put it on the edge of my canvas and call it good. Desperate times. This is funny. Okay, so what? I want the black. I actually want the gold. But being that the black is right there and the gold is above it, this is how I cover my edges. Quickly. Because if you're quick enough, it won't all fall down below whatever's below you. And in this case right here, it doesn't matter that there's black on my hands because the colors will react with each other on the side of the canvas the same as they would on the top, to a degree. I'm just trying to cover the canvas. So, that's kind of cute, whatever it is. I'm doing that left-handed. I'm not sure why I'm doing that left-handed. Doesn't really make any sense because I'm not left-handed. I want more gold in there, go figure. I wonder if I can make that gold. Yes, I can. Spread out a little. That red is not thick enough. That's a red-orange, actually. I got quite a bit of time left because this is not conventional by any stretch. It's a day of experiments. We really want to just put some chain in there or something. Maybe I'll just indulge myself. When don't I? Yes, I heard you. Indulge myself in some serious goldness because I love the goldness, and I think I'm not done with that. Although I have another color I've been dying to use, and who knows what it'll turn out like right now. I know I have an excess amount of paint on this canvas right now, very much so. That is a wonderful teal from Art Minds that I picked up yesterday. I have no idea if I'm ever going to be able to even show it to anybody because I have a feeling that the camera won't read it. Anyway, think forest green with blue. And then what? What do you do for fun? I watch this silly woman on YouTube make a mess. Well, it was a fun mess. And do I have some desire for something else? Maybe I do. I like that. That's good. I'm happy with that. I'm just going to add some more of that down here too. And call it all good. The blooper canvas. Let's give that a torch and call it all good. And I love it, actually. It defies description, and that's a certainty. There's a lot of cells in there, and I don't use any silicone. Great colors. Pretty happy with those colors. I don't know what about that little spot right there. It's kind of bugging me. It looks more like canvas than anything. Well, it's gone now. Let's steal some paint if we can. Let's take the things out of our hands. I want some more gold right there. Yes, I do. I can fortunately have whatever I want. because the's no one here to tell me I can't. Yes, she's sounding rather belligerent today. You know what? That's that. You can pretty much see what I can see. It's colorful, it's fun, and I like it. And one spiral won't hurt. That's good enough. I'm really happy with that. Sometimes simple is just better. Alright, so shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, where you can find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and the OXO omelet turning spatula, my gold mica powder, which I will give you the recipe for, and all kinds of other cool stuff, all of which helps me out a little bit at no added cost to you. On the end screens of the video, you're going to find that there are over 600 videos now on my playlist for fluid acrylics. And you might like to watch some of those, and if you do, you'll be helping me out a lot, because every time somebody watches a full-length video, it places my videos that are seen on YouTube in a better position, because the algorithm only knows people are watching or not watching, and if people are giving me a thumbs up or not. So I really appreciate thumbs up. Thank you for that. And if you're interested in purchasing any artwork, all you must do is get in touch with me, make a comment on YouTube, or find me on Facebook. I am Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have fans and collectors, and I have appreciation group. But if you start with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, you will find me. There are Pinterest and Instagram links, along with the Facebook albums that contain the YouTube wet and dry artworks, underneath the video. And there's a description of my paint pouring recipe down there too. If you have questions, just ask me. Thank you guys for making the great comments you make. Thank you for always supporting me and helping me keep painting. Really appreciate that very much. Yes, I'm still fiddling. I'm a fiddler. I'm not, but I am. Alright, so I love you guys. There's more than 60,000 of you, and if you decide to be a patron to the studio, you will be entered in automatically into a contest for whichever type of artworks I'm giving away on a particular month, and I haven't made that video to announce them yet, but I've only had one donator recently, so as soon as I have a few more donations and or not, I'll probably be reminded to get around to making that video. So I love you guys, and thanks for joining me. I appreciate that very much. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, going, I love you. Thank you for being here. I appreciate that, and I'll see you again sometime soon, hopefully in the next video, or one of the ones in the past. Bye for now. Priscilla out.